Alright everyone, I don't know what video I'm going to group this in, but we're going to do some laundry at the Contemporary, because that's always fun. But here's the fun thing with the elevator now at the Contemporary. Mickey and Minnie announce your floors. It doesn't really get any better than this. Yeah, so we're getting ready to do some laundry, and I'm heading in the wrong way. Yes, I am. Well, you know, you gotta maneuver your traffic, so I'll show you guys where the laundry area is here at the Contemporary. You know, because it's merciful to actually have you guys sit through someone doing laundry. But hey, you may actually need to know where the laundry room is if you ever stay at the Contemporary.
I can push this while you do that and walk in the walls.
You know? Sounds good. Oh, pardon? Please pardon our pixie dust. I guess they're renovating something. Yep, so this is east. We're doing this in the morning, so we're facing east right now, as you may have guessed, with the insane sun causing my camera to go a little wild. And to get to the laundry room, it's actually this outer building that you can see dead ahead. And I'll record a little bit of the laundry room. There is nothing glamorous about it. Yeah. Up. Oh man. I'll just carry it in my hand. It should be fine. So there's some parts of the pool at the Contemporary. Some really cool water slides you can see there. The Contemporary is our favorite hotel. Yeah, so I'll show you guys what the laundry room looks like in just a little bit here. Alright everyone, so this is the not glamorous laundry room at the Contemporary. Ooh, so what you do, you go here, we already did all this, but you go here, you use your debit or credit card, you buy some detergent, it's about $1, and then you put your clothing in the washing machines over here, and then you come over to this thing, you insert your card like you would at a gas station, and then you would select how many washing machines you have ready, and then you click, then you press the cycle, whatever cycle it is, delicates, whatever. We just put colors for all of them because we have some socks, but we also have a lot of colors going on, so we had to press a button or it wouldn't work, and we had a lot of colors, so yeah, colors is a good button because, well, we have colors. So yeah, now we got about half an hour or 34 minutes or something. And yeah, this is on the second floor in the outer building of the Contemporary. Minnie and Mickey do not announce the floors in this outer building here, which is kind of sad a little bit, but yeah, so that would be fun. Yeah, the second floor, cool. Yeah, so this is laundry. This, like, yeah. Like, I can't even. The door's locked. The door's locked. Yeah. So what do we do for half an hour? We might join Rommy and Squeaky for some breakfast at the lounge. You never know. But I know I'm not going to record this for half an hour for you guys. Not even I'm that crazy. Alright everyone, and this is the new Pixar Play Zone. It was not here when we were here in December, but it looks like it's interactive character experiences that you call ahead and make a reservation for. Children ages 4 to 12 can experience a Pixar-packed evening of fun, games, dinner, and Disney character appearances as a part of a Pixar Play Zone, a brand new character experience at Disney's Contemporary. Parents and guardians may check in their children beginning at 5 and enjoy an evening adventure of their own. Activities begin at 6 and end at 10:30. Dinner and a snack will be provided. $65 plus tax per child. Availability is limited and reservations are strongly recommended. Okay, so this is where the arcade used to be at the Contemporary Resort. Now it's the Pixar Play Zone. So I guess if like the parents wanted to hang out at Disney Springs or Epcot for the night, they can go ahead, leave the kids here. Kids must be potty trained. That is something they had on the sign there. So if you wanted to, if you had the extra money to pop your kids, your potty trained kids in, and you and your the husbando, waifu, lover, life mate, soulmate wanted to play and at the rest of Disney World, feel free to do that. So this is the bonus vlog of fun contemporary things. I have names I also wanted to mention here. And I should also give you guys something a little better to look at. We got the mural here, the five-legged goat. I think Squeak Doo grabbed a picture of it, but the five-legged goat, it's on the other side at the very top there. But yeah, we'll walk towards it because I got to go to the elevator anyway. Yeah, a few shout-outs we wanted to mention. Elena, the housekeeper. David at the concierge level here at the Contemporary. Jimmy, he was a bus driver from the TTC to Epcot. We had to take a bus to the Epcot. The monorail wasn't working that day. John, a bus supervisor at the Contemporary. He was fun. And Christine, who gave Squeak Doo the really amazing Phantasmic pin after the whole lightning situation. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end the bonus vlog. Oh, where was that five-legged goat? You know, I lost the five-legged goat. It's somewhere though. It's somewhere, it's above, it's a goat, it has 5 legs. Maybe Squeak Doo has a photo of it that I can pop up, but yeah, this is the bonus vlog for Disney's Contemporary. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You guys know you're the best fans of any YouTuber in the world, and we are going to leave you with a special little bonus treat.
There's magic